USS Preble successfully tests HELIOS laser system, marking a step forward in naval warfare. The U.S. Navy has confirmed that the Arleigh Burke-class destroyer USS Preble successfully tested the high-energy laser with integrated optical Dazzler and surveillance HELIOS system by neutralizing an aerial target drone during Fiscal Year 2024. This test represents a major step in the Navy's long-standing ambition to deploy shipboard laser weapons, even as other U.S. military laser programs have faced setbacks in recent years. The test's primary objective was to verify and validate the HELIOS system's functionality, performance, and operational capability. The event was disclosed in the Pentagon's Annual Director, Operational Test and Evaluation (DOTE) report, though details such as the exact date and location remain undisclosed. USS Preble, a Flight 2A Arleigh Burke-class destroyer, changed its home port from San Diego to Japan in September 2024, raising questions about where the test might have taken place. HELIOS, a new era of shipboard laser defense. HELIOS is a 60-kilowatt solid-state laser designed to counter aerial drones, disable small boats, and act as a dazzler to blind or disrupt the optical seekers of incoming missiles. The system is mounted on USS Preble's forward pedestal, replacing the Mark 15 Phalanx Close-In Weapon System (CIWS) found on earlier destroyer variants. Unlike traditional missile-based defenses, HELIOS offers a renewable, low-cost per shot alternative for countering aerial threats. The increasing need for such technology has been underscored by recent naval engagements, particularly in the Red Sea and Gulf of Aden, where U.S. warships have been forced to intercept daily drone and missile attacks from Iran-backed Houthi rebels. These engagements have raised concerns about the Navy depleting its finite stockpile of interceptor missiles, making directed energy weapons like HELIOS an attractive solution for low-cost, high-efficiency defense. Challenges in fielding laser weapons. Despite the promise of laser weapons, the U.S. Department of Defense has struggled to transition these systems from experimental technology to field-ready weaponry. A 2023 Government Accountability Office (GAO) report highlighted challenges in integrating laser weapons into real-world military operations, citing issues such as power and thermal limitations, which affect how many shots can be fired consecutively, limited engagement range, which is influenced by atmospheric conditions, slow target destruction, as laser weapons require continuous focus on a target to neutralize it. The Defense Department has scaled back several major laser programs in recent years due to these operational hurdles. Critics argue that laser systems have been overhyped, often portrayed as game-changing weapons, when in reality, their effectiveness remains limited to certain low-volume point defense scenarios. Lockheed Martin's role and future upgrades. Lockheed Martin, the primary contractor for HELIOS, received its first contract for the system in 2018 and has since worked on expanding its capabilities. The company has designed HELIOS with future upgrades in mind, including an increase in power output to 150 kilowatts. This enhancement would allow HELIOS to destroy drones more quickly and at longer distances, engage larger and more complex threats, such as anti-ship cruise missiles and manned aircraft, albeit still at relatively short ranges, Lockheed Martin has also integrated HELIOS with the Aegis combat system, allowing it to work in coordination with other shipboard defense mechanisms. In a 2021 interview, Lockheed Martin officials confirmed that HELIOS had successfully fired under the control of the Aegis weapon system in a laboratory test, demonstrating its potential for automated hard kill and soft kill coordination. The future of naval laser warfare HELIOS is just one piece of the Navy's broader directed energy weapon strategy. Other destroyers, such as the USS Dewey and USS Stockdale, are now equipped with the optical dazzling interdictor, Navy Odin, a less powerful laser that only functions as a dazzler to disrupt enemy sensors. Meanwhile, the Navy is also exploring high-power microwave systems as part of its layered defense strategy. Despite the technical and operational challenges, Navy leadership remains committed to accelerating the development and deployment of shipboard laser weapons. Admiral Darrell Caudle, head of U.S. Fleet Forces Command, recently expressed frustration over the slow progress, emphasizing the need to transition laser systems from theoretical concepts to fully operational weapons.